And this is the bathroom. I love the details on the wall. It's so pretty. The sink is pretty big. This is the tub. Super nice. So one of the things that is new to me is here there's a washer dryer. We have this one is the cold bag. It's pretty big. I bought this at Target, but it's not good. The wood keep coming up, so I'm not gonna return this one. So I'll just keep it here for now. I love these lights right here. I closed my blind because I don't want to show the outside. I love the kitchen because it has a nice island. That's one of the things I was looking for. So I have a fridge, a two-way fridge, pretty. Everything here is brand new. Literally everything is brand new. I'm the first person to live in here. It's my living room right here, and then I'm thinking I'm putting a desk right here, make it nice. On this side you have the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It has a pretty good size. This is the closet. Yeah, so that's the closet. I wish these were like different type of style, but it's okay. I want to have a TV here, so it's just gonna be just my bed. And then this is the part that I do not like. I don't like this thing right here. It just there. I'm thinking to just like put a plant right here to kind of like camouflage this, so the attention won't be too much on this electricity box. So yeah, so that's pretty much this place.